Okay, now I'm gonna go into this next one here. I got the screws right here, so the segments need to be put in. Oh, here's one here. That must be for another unit. The one back there. Okay, the toilet is here. Let's take a look back here. Obviously, the toilet is not in. Surround has to be put in. Look like we did a little better on this one. Great. So that's ready to go in. Like you said, the toilet. The sink is, looks like this brand has to be tested. Actually, I wish I had my light. I know you can't hardly see that, but it's in. This has to be tested. Okay, let's see how the kitchen is. Okay, whoops. Okay, the dishwasher's shoved in there. Okay, it needs to be pulled back out, and the water line and the drain line to travel through the sink here, which needs to be installed. The faucet, maybe the faucet there. Basin straightener here. Okay, anyway. Yeah, needs to be installed there. There we go. There has to be a hole cut for the drain for the dishwasher, and the rest to be installed. The trap and the waste outlet, side waste outlet there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in this one. Make sure this starts to going real good. Oh, okay, I need to lift that up there. Suspension tank is on. Okay, so that's a good part. This spook right here needs to be dealt with here. This line, see, it's kind of crooked. I think it's all right. A lot of stuff escaped through that, so we're gonna have to fix that as well. And that goes all the way back through there. There appears to be a pipe sitting on here, but it's not affecting it. I mean, as far as pressure, top of here, unless it's that water line. I don't know, I may run into some situations getting that right, but just another day in the field. Alright. Okay, with that being said, I gotta get to work, y'all, so I will see y'all later. Shalom, peace out.